What's going on, guys? Nick here, Go Crazy Pools. Just sitting down here in my card area, going through some, just sorting and just looking through some stuff. Like a box of top loaded like autographs and rookie cards and different stuff like that, and found this. Pretty cool. It's amazing. You collect stuff, and you put it to the side, and every now and then you just gotta stop and go back and go through it all, and or not all of it, a little at a time. At least for me, I'm sure it is the same for you guys. But I had a little bit of retail, so I thought I'd do a quick little retail rip for you guys. Got some Donruss, Heritage, and some more Donruss. So let's get into it and see what we can find. See if we can find something cool. Maybe another sweet little auto. Hope you guys, there's a nice Tatis, Lance Bergman, Pete Alonso, Big Mac, Soto, Gary Carter. And we'll get into got a Bartolo Colon, Cody Bellinger, Santander, Ketel Marte, got an Unleashed Aaron Judge, the Casey Mize rated rookie, Soto Diamond Kings, Patino rookie, Guess Daddy, Alex Kirilloff, Chef G, and Paul Molitor. Not too bad of a pack. Let's do the Heritage next, and then we'll end with the Donruss. I have not had the luck out of Heritage that I see a lot of guys having. There's still some nice cards. Brandon Lowe, Schwarber, there's a Bader for the Cardinals. Carlson. Gotta put something up, right? Gotta put something up. May as well be him. Bradley Jr., AL Leaders, Joe Adell, MVP, Morton, Lugo, Brandon Belts, Rookie Stars, Contreras, and Stevenson, Goldie, Carson Kelly. That about does it. I'll look through these later. Let's get into this Donruss. This will be a nice quick video. Got some fun stuff coming. I did see the Big Bat Box is supposed to be sending out the last of their January and February diamond boxes, so hopefully we'll get those two soon. Patrick Corbin, couple people in the last video suggested maybe some like eBay like mystery boxes, so I think I found a cool one that I'm going to share with you guys when I get that in. We'll see how it is. Never opened, never purchased it before, so we'll see that. Jeff Bagwell. Alright, now let's get into some of the good shiny stuff. Got Tejada. There we go. Got an Unleashed Arenado. Behind that, we got a Corey Kluber, Rosarina, Colton Wong, Frank Thomas, Tim Anderson, Joey Gallo. Got another Arenado behind that, the Diamond Kings. We've got a Sammy Sosa Unleashed, Luke Voigt, Matt Chapman, Garcia, Bryce Harper, Josh Bell, Evan White, Walker Buehler, Griffey, Christian Javier, Bigfoot, Trevor Bauer, Jazz Chisholm, and Clayton Kershaw, and we'll end with a Miggy. So that's it, guys. Nothing crazy. Like I said, just a quick little rip that I thought I'd share with you guys. You know, get that sweet Arenado back there that is numbered out of 999. Also got a mail day of some stuff I've been putting together, some break results. We'll do that here coming up real soon. We're still pushing 300, so if you haven't hit that like and that subscribe button, working on coming up with some ideas for a nice giveaway for once we reach that 300. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a great day. Thank you.